Amigos, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenidos for another video. I hope you're doing well. And yes, I am being silly once again. I just watched a movie that had Danny Trejo, and I've been trying to be an impersonator of his. I love the guy. He's talented, funny. He combines being funny with gangsta. Awesome actor, really talented. Anyways, for today's video, it's gonna be another review for another cheapie, but this time a really awesome summer cheapie, affordable, beautiful. I highly recommend it. I liked it. I tried it for many times, and I definitely recommend it. So today's video is a full review for Barakkat Aqua Crystal by the company Fragrance World. This is the logo of the company. I'm sure some of you recognize it. So as I mentioned before, Fragrance World is a company based in the UAE. It is like a competitor, or let's say competition to Latafa and Maison Ambra. So they have this competition going on between both of them, and that's actually good for us consumers. And I had this fragrance for quite a while, maybe a year, maybe a little bit more than a year. I don't really remember that much. And I actually bought it by mistake. It is not the one that I wanted to buy. I wanted to buy a Barakkat Aqua Evam or something like that, or Evam or Avam. And it is I think a clone of MFK's APOM, APOM. And this one is known to be a clone of MFK's Aqua Universalis. I've watched a few videos about this one. I didn't really prepare for this video. I'm trying to improvise. I'm actually improvising as I am speaking. But I watched a couple of reviews, and one review that really caught my attention, and I really liked it. And I highly recommend this reviewer based on a few videos that I watched before, and based on the review that he did for this one. It is a Vegas scent, and I think everything he said, well, almost everything he said about this fragrance is spot on, and he just nailed it. I will leave his video down below in the description box if you want to check it out, and if you want to see about his opinion and what he has to say about this one. So for this one, beautiful gem, or beautiful hidden gem for the summer. Not a lot of people know about this one. So before talking about it, I'm gonna do a little tour presentation, show you the box, the bottle, etc. So the box, it comes with the cellophane wrap. I already took the cellophane wrap, and when I tried to open it, it had the sleeve, and I couldn't open the sleeve, so I cut it from down below right here so I can open it. So on the sleeve it says Barakkat Aqua Crystal, Maison Eau de Parfum Vaporisateur, Eau de Parfum 100 ml. And this is the box, silver matte type of box with some sort of design right here. So yes, obviously they went for it to copy the MFK style, as you can tell. And let me show you the bottle, which is more of a giveaway, of more of a proof that they really went for it without any shame. So as you can tell, yes, the bottle is definitely lovely, beautiful, but as you guys can tell, it looks so much like the MFK's design. So yes, I'm sure you can tell, but these ones are slightly bigger. So this is the 70 ml when it comes to the MFK, and this is 100 ml. But the design, the style, the shape of the bottle, etc., it looks so much like the style from MFK, from the niche house MFK. So yes, a lovely, cute bottle. I really like this one. And I wish that I am planning to have all of those bottles, all of the other dupes from Fragrance World that are inspired by other MFK fragrances. As I said, I bought this one by mistake. I wanted to buy the Aqua Evam that I liked very much. I tried it at a store, I liked it, but I ended up buying this one instead. I didn't notice, but it turned out to be really good. I also bought this one right here. This is This is also from Fragrance World. This is Barakkat Amber Eve, and it is a dupe of Grand Soir by MFK. I haven't opened it yet, but I tried it many times. I really like it, and when the time is right, I will open it and use it as much as as possible. But anyways, for today's video, it is all about this one right here, Barakkat Aqua Crystal, and really. So as Vegas sent, as that gentleman said, this one is not a clone of MFK's Aqua Universalis. So he noticed that this one is actually a clone of Aqua Universalis Cologne Forte, right? Because he had bought some samples of those perfumes, and when he tried it, he noticed that this one doesn't smell like the OG Aqua Universalis. And by the way, I don't know if he knows about this, but there is like three versions of MFK Aqua Universalis. There is the OG, the first edition. There is also Aqua Universalis Forte, the second one, and also Aqua Universalis Cologne Forte, which I believe this is actually a clone of. So this is a clone based on my experience, and after trying this fragrance, that this one is absolutely a clone or an inspiration of MFK's Aqua Universalis Cologne Forte. It is really hard to keep up with the names, but I am trying to do my best right here. So yes, since we are in the middle of summer, and the summer this year really started really strong from early June or maybe end of May, and nothing to beat this heat like a super fresh drink and a super fresh fragrance. So there is many options, and this is definitely one of them. That's why I came today to talk to you about this one and revive talking about this one, because I've seen reviews about it from like a year ago or even 2 years, and I feel like this one is not really talked about as much as it deserves, because it's a really decent release from Fragrance World, a pretty good inspiration, a very good clone. I mean, they approached and they tried to capture that scent profile from Aqua Universalis Cologne Forte, and they kinda, I would say, they nailed it at like 80 to 85% for a fraction of the price. And this is the thing that really blows my mind. I mean, you guys already know about the prices of MFK. While this one, really, I bought it for super cheap. I'm not gonna say the price, but you can find it online for like $20, $18, 35, 30. It depends on the seller, but for me, in my opinion, anything more than $40, don't really buy it. Just add a little bit of money and get the real deal. Not because this one is bad, not at all, but I mean, if you're gonna pay that much, just add a little bit more and get the real deal. So yes, when it comes to quality, definitely this one, it doesn't have that quality of MFK, obviously and logically, but still the quality is pretty good. The first spray might be a little bit strong, a little bit sharp, because of that alcohol that it is characterized in Fragrance World fragrances, but it's not really like super synthetic. Oh wow, it's really hot. As I am talking and more talking, I feel that I am getting much hotter and the heat around me. I am definitely going to get a fresh or an ice cold glass of water after this video, and maybe respray myself with this beauty right here. Maybe I would go for even like 10 sprays. Anyways, so as I said, the opening, it might be a little bit harsh, a little bit sharp, especially with that alcohol in the beginning. But right after that, like in a glimpse of the eye, you start getting that, let me say it this way, like a bomb of citruses. So this fragrance is trying to mimic like realistic type of citruses, lemon and Sicilian mandarin. There is also, you get that tart accords, tart vibe, tart scent in the citruses. but also accompanied with the white flowers. Definitely there is like some sort of orange blossom and other white flowers with the scent, and definitely a presence of musk that starts showing up after like a few minutes from the initial spray. Beautiful scent. When it comes to the performance, me personally, I get like 8 hours with this one, just like what Vegas Scent has said in his video. It is not a projection beast, but it projects, I would say, pretty good for the first hour, maybe to 2 hours even, especially in the mornings, because I find this fragrance to be one of those perfumes that you can spray in the early morning and enjoy it very much, because there is a rare number of fragrances that I find, or I think personally, that are suited for that early morning vibe, especially in the summer, because mornings in the summer, they start much earlier than the mornings, when it comes to the daylight, and the sun shows up much earlier than how it is on the winter. And really, it's uplifting, it wakes you up, it lifts your mood right away. It puts you in that beautiful positive morning feel right away. And as I said, I find it to be perfect for summer mornings. I highly recommend this perfume for the summer, especially if you are on the affordable budget. But still, I want to say something, that this is one of the rare perfumes, rare clones, that actually making me want to buy the real deal. This is how good this one is. It's beautiful to a point. I am highly interested in buying the MFK's Aqua Universalis Cologne 40, because I believe, and highly believe, and I'm sure about that the MFK's has a beautiful quality, and if this one is making me this happy, I'm sure that one will make me even happier, even though the price will not really make my wallet that happy. But still, I'm definitely looking forward to it. So definitely I added it to my wish list. And since this one is on the cheaper side, this one from Fragrance World, really just go for don't be shy with the sprays. Spray as much as you can, even decant it, and keep the decant with you in your pocket in case you wanna respray again. Depends on the situation, really. And in the summer, perfect, beautiful, and as I said, uplifting. And it has this realistic feel of citruses. It tries to mimic that sensation. It's not like it's zesty, but it's more towards the tart cologne type of a vibe, a scent that you might find in eau de colognes. So maybe that's why the name has, Aqua Universalis Cologne 40. Maybe that's why the cologne word is on that perfume, and this one is an inspiration of that one. So I definitely get a little bit of that sensation that I might get in many eau de colognes, and really the neroli, the orange blossom, the white florals really makes things even better as time goes by when you are wearing this perfume. Sometimes this one might feel like it is feminine, but also sometimes it might really feel very, very masculine. So it is one of those fragrances that gives you like the best of both worlds. So yeah, I think definitely any man of any age can rock this one. Even women can definitely try this one and see if they like it. I'm sure they will not really find it that masculine. I'm sure it's gonna work with their type of skin, and they will like it, especially, as I said, for the summer mornings, and especially for summer vacation, because it has that chill, relax vibe. And maybe, yes, you can rock it for work as well, for the office. It is definitely office friendly. I see it as an office fragrance as well. But like overall, I just picture this one like I picture like the man with a crisp white shirt, white shorts, a relaxed type of shoes, walking down the beach in the mornings, rocking this fragrance and smelling good, feeling good. And as I said, it's really an uplifting scent, beautiful. And what's even more beautiful is the price tag, because it's super affordable. So it's definitely a great deal for the summer. And this actually, based on the few fragrance world perfumes that I tried so far, I can say that this is the most fresh, or the freshest, or the freshier fragrance that I tried from this company so far. I heard that they have other clones of MFK, other summer clones or summer inspirations. I will definitely try to try them ASAP, and in the case I do, I will come back to you guys with a full review of that one. So I think this is it for our video for today. Definitely try this one if you can. Go for it, try it out, see how you like it, see for yourself if you find it good for the summer. I highly recommend it. So yes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if not subscribed, and definitely stay tuned for the next videos. Enjoy your vacation, enjoy your weekend, take care, bye.